Good afternoon, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. So we are at Lee Meridian Hotel. We are joined by three beautiful ladies. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Shalini Beriwal.
Yeah. So Miss Shalini very well, and she is the mother of Shweta Agarwal, and she is the today the celebrity, I would say, for the event.
Thank you.
And we also have Shweta Kumar, the lady on my left, extreme left. So now over to Shweta Agarwal about snakes and ladders and what exactly is the summit going to talk about. And since we just spoke offline, you told me about your life's journey and about 6 years back, something you wanted to make people happy spiritually, which I think you've achieved now. So this is recognition of your success. So first a few lines from you, then from your mother, and then from Shweta Kumar, ma'am.
So basically, everybody knows about spirituality, everybody talks about moving ahead, letting go. But isn't it very difficult to do? We can't do it. So there has to be a path which is practical yet spiritual, which takes into account your emotions, your anger, your needs and desires, and at the same time bring it together with that inherent need to connect with the divine. And I think for me, this moksha part
This is
is
an
what
Hindi
creates
one.
it.
Outside with
With
so
the
the table,
English
this was in
ones.
English.
This is a 12th century board from ancient India.
It's got 72
72 blocks, and
72,
each
excellent.
block represents a state of being within us.
Okay.
So, for example, you've got Vyan Lok. Vyan means circulation. Every time you exercise, you talk, you do something, you're in a movement, in the space of movement. If it's your business, you're selling, you're in the space of movement. If you've got Prithvi Lok, we talk about Earth. The biggest significance of Earth is her motherhood. She's the most, I think, powerful mother
Yes.
figure that we have. So being on earth means stay grounded, stay nurtured, nurture yourself. So the path of practical spirituality is a path that not only honors our material needs, our day-to-day needs, it also honors the spirit within, the Atma within. And I think this path has given me and many people that path of happiness and contentment.
Wonderful. I think we see people here. I've been here for a while, about half an hour. So I'm seeing the women and the men and the youngsters. So everybody's got that, aura. उनके चमक आ रही है. जबकि normally ऐसा नहीं है कि होटल में आए हैं तो उसकी है. This is about being at your event. So we'll move to your mother. So how do you feel when your daughter has taken this way forward?
So I'm a very proud mom. And I'm not only proud because she's become an author, because she's become a celebrity. I'm more proud because she has brought a ancient Vigyan Gyan of India now into this civilization. When we see the modern generation is more involved into, the materialistic goods. And when I see her, that researching from last almost 5 years, and that also from an ancient India. So not only that I'm a proud Indian, and it's a lot of gratitude to her that what has she brought in. So she has brought India to the world class. In the next 5 6 years, you will find Mokshpat internationally being recognized. That's my wishes to her.
Yeah, we wish her all the best. We'll hand over the mic now to Shweta Kumar, and she'll take us through this journey. What she's already Shweta ji's done about 90 seconds here. If you want to say something about this, जो हम लोग बाहर समझ रहे थे, and then we'll come back to Auntie, and then to Shweta ji to sum it up. Yeah, ma'am, it's over to you.
Hi, I'm Shweta Kumar, and I'm part of Shweta ji's uh, most beautiful community of transcending belief. And I've done many workshops with her, and Mokshpat has been a life-changing modality to learn, to imbibe, and to grow with. And we are all here to acknowledge her and felicitate her as a wonderful human being and an amazing mentor. And there's a big milestone which she's celebrating, and she's taking us all along with her in this journey. So Mokshpat is basically got 72 boxes which tell us about our own state of life, our inner state of being, what is happening inside and how it is manifesting in our life today. There are various ways in which we can take guidance from Mokshpat. We can take guidance from Mokshpat on what our soul's journey is, ever since we've taken birth. We can do short-term, long-term horoscopes also with Mokshpat. And the most beautiful part about it, that Mokshpat becomes a your best friend when you can take daily guidance from Mokshpat. You can understand what is it that is stopping you, what is it that you can do to improvise in your life, how you should change your inner world so that your outer world reflects it. So here we can see that there are 72 boxes. For example, when we start with Jan, it tells us, this is a new birth that we are entering. When we look at Manushya Janam, which is 43 here, it tells us the newness that a freshness or new approach that we can bring to our life so that we can turn things around in our favor. Some things that we need to let go of, things that we need to see from a new perspective. Now, if we look at Subuddhi 60, it tells us to have good intellect, to think well, to think about everybody, take things in a larger perspective. When we land at probably Durbuddhi, it's telling us that, change how you're thinking. You're not thinking well, you're not thinking for everybody, not thinking positively. So change your thought process so that you're able to manifest better in your life.
Right now we can't play this. We'll do it afterwards.
Outside.
So I'll take the mic back.
Yeah. So this
I
is
want
what it
to,
is.
Yeah, thank you. So मेरा आंटी से प्रश्न है और ये हिंदी में है because the larger audience, So how was Shweta as a child, as a girl child?
सो आज मेरा बोलने का जो टॉपिक है वो मॉन्चुएन मेकिंग है. तो इसका पेट नेम मॉन्चू है विच मीन्स फीस्ट. तो मॉन्चुएन मेकिंग ये 2 साल की थी और अगर आप इसको खाने की प्लेट किसी होटल में दें तो एक कण इधर से उधर नहीं हो सकता था. इसकी 40 इयर्स की ज़िंदगी में मुझे एक दिन भी याद नहीं आता जब इसने मुझे ये कहा कि माँ मुझे ये चाहिए. Whether she was getting married, whether she was in a school, she's the only child with 365 days school presence for 3 years.
आपसे fear था?
Fear.
Because I overheard that you've been a kind of a bureaucrat.
So yes, and आपको fear था कि नहीं था ये मुझे नहीं पता, but yes, I've been a very hard tasker mom. There's no doubt about it.
Now we'll ask her.
Yeah.
And then we'll close this because all the guests would be coming in. So Shweta ji, auntie is introduced about you when you're 2 years old, and Shweta Kumar ji ने जो बताया, in fact I was wanting to play it. I said कि वो dice जो पासा फेंके और मैं देखूं कि मेरा कहाँ पे where I am going to be today. So you want to say as a child, आपका बचपन में ही that what होता है ना वो कोई एक सेइंग है जो बचपन में होता है. हाँ yes. You think that was the way
Yes, I think my spiritual journey started when I was born. My grandfathers, my grandmothers, they're very highly spiritual. So मैं 2 साल की थी तब से मुझे याद है गोपाल सहस्त्र नाम, गीता, श्लोक पढ़ना.
Really?
So I think my journey began when I did not even know what spirituality meant.
Great. We'll just move to 2024. The world, means. I could not believe that in my lifetime I will see this pandemic, the corona. We used to be only talking that diseases hoti thi and all that, and now the Ukraine-Russia war is there. Everything is happening, and everywhere we need the newspapers mein hai. So what's the reason? Why is the human, the social animal as we call him, why is he so उनको डर किस बात का है, and why are they not able to keep that balance जो आप achieve कर पा रहे हैं?
वेदों में लिखा है यथा पिंड तथा ब्रह्मांड, which means जैसे हम अंदर हैं वैसे ही बाहर हैं. So if we want to stop the wars outside, if we want to stop the pandemics outside, we have to be at peace within ourselves. The problem is not that there is no peace outside. The problem is there is no peace within. सारा दिन तो हम अपने आप से लड़ते हैं, अपने घरों में लड़ते हैं. जब 4 इंसान एक साथ शांति से नहीं रह सकते तो हम 4 करोड़ लोगों को कैसे रख सकते हैं?
Right.
So it's all about what is within you. And that is why I always tell people, it's not about changing the world, it's about changing yourself. And I think I work with and I live with this philosophy कि सृष्टि बदलो, सृष्टि बदलनी है तो दृष्टि बदल लो.
Great. I think this is the best thing which can happen. And today there are so many people, and I feel कि वो लोग जब अपने घर से निकले, it's all destined. You would come in, ma'am. So I feel even I'm destined. Being a Sunday, and I had some guests. So I was in fact trying to say when the PR had called me So I said I will miss it, but then I said no, I should be attending because I'm in the group also. So I should go and learn myself. And Shweta ji, thank you. आप भी इधर आ जाइए if you want to come in. You want to take a picture? I wanted your family people also to join in, but they can do it later. And last words आपके रहेंगे कुछ कुछ एक एक word इनके बारे में about her again. आपको इनसे मिलने के बाद how did you feel in your what change happened in your life?
I think she's been the mentor that I was waiting for, and my soul was waiting for. So my life has changed quite a bit from within. You know, that satisfaction. You know that there is somebody who you can implicitly trust, and who will always guide you for your best. So she's that person in my life.
Wonderful. And the name also is almost the same, but इनकी spelling पे आएंगे. Are you okay with what she changed her spelling? जो अपने बचपन में was it Shweta or was it something else?
So my father-in-law wanted to name her Shweta, Albi, so it was favorite. And I would say, she's not that Gora. Why do you want to have her Shweta? So
means fair.
fair. But then let me tell you, having Shweta in the life, I think when she became mom, we became kids. We don't know.
Yes, wonderful.
And she takes care of all of us in unsaid words. And मुझे लगता है मुझे पता ही नहीं लगा कि ये कब हुआ.
Great.
She was born mature.
Lovely. And you want to tell about your just last Shweta, जो आपका double है ना? हाँ. What is that and when does it really going to make the change?
See, the entire universe is structured in sacred geometry, numbers.
Numbers.
So numbers do play a role, but numbers हमें बांधने नहीं चाहिए.
Right.
We should use them to fly. So मानो, लेकिन सिर्फ उतना जितना आपके लिए ठीक हो.
Wonderful. So I think we'll leave it at this, and everybody who's watching this video, you can get in to know more about her through her, I think, YouTube channel and through her sessions. So thank you all of you, ma'am. This is Sanjay Agarwal for Light 24/7 News. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
से आपका इंट्रोडक्शन चाह रहे हैं. दोस्तों नमस्कार, हमारे साथ हर्ष मल्होत्रा जी अभी दिल्ली के नवनिर्वाचित मंत्री एमपी लोकसभा के मोदी जी का इनका सिलेक्शन हुआ और सर ने एकदम अच्छा विजय नारा लगाया. सर अभी जो है कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स और रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट गडकरी जी के जो मंत्रालय का बाहर देख रहे हैं. सर अभी आपके साथ श्वेता जी हैं जो इनकी आज किताब है जो जन्म जो बोलते हैं कि कर्म, और इसमें आज जो किताब में है कि आपको वी हैव टू बी हैप्पी. तो आपको कैसा अनुभव हो रहा है सर इधर आके इस प्रोग्राम में?
अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे महेश जी ने बुलाया और समिट इंडिया और साथ में मोक्षता के हिसाब से जो बताया मुझे, जो किताब भी दी है बहन जी ने लिखी है, एक मेरे लिए नया आयाम है. मैंने अभी देखा नहीं, इतना ही समझा जितना मेरे को यहाँ पर बताया गया.
समय कम है, नहीं तो हम चाहते हैं कि आप एक सेशन मैडम लोग कंडक्ट करते हैं, बट अगली बार आपसे हम लोग परमिशन लेके आपको बुलाएंगे और वो सेशन में. सर आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नमस्कार. Look up here, man.
के हमारे अच्छे दूर गुजारने वाले आज के अधिकारी कर्मचारी आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. हम जिनकी उपस्थिति से स्पंदित होने वाले थे.
देश में देश के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के माता जी के निधन की वार्ता सुनी. हीराबा का निधन ये केवल एक परिवार तक सीमित नहीं रहा. पूरे देश ने देखा है मोदी जी जन्मदिन के दिन जिनको झुककर प्रणाम कर उनका आशीर्वाद देते हैं तो पूरा देश चलाते हैं. ऐसे माता जी के अनेक घटनाओं में मोदी जी पर संस्कार दिए हैं, व्यवहार सिखाया है. आज जब देश के प्रधानमंत्री गरीबों के प्रति इतने संवेदनशील होते हैं तो हमें ध्यान में आता है ये संस्कार बचपन से जो उन्होंने इर्द गिर्द देखा है अपने घर में, उसका निरीक्षण जो किया है उसका परिणाम है आज देश में बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन के सब लोगों के लिए जो संवेदनशील सरकार काम कर रही है.
कर सकता है और हर महीने लाखों रुपए कमा सकता है। तो अनुवादनी का जो अगर सही मामले में अगर कहीं सार्थकता समझ में आती है, और इसी प्रकार से मैं आपको बताऊं कि बुद्धा जी का की वजह से मैंने एक और अभी प्रोग्राम अग्निवीर का